Good morning, I'm Supriya Banerjee and I'm delighted to be here today. A lot of pain, that's what brought me to the dental spa. I had a severe problem with my back. My lower back, pain was very bad, and then I had started getting pain in my shoulders. I couldn't sit for more than 20 minutes, I couldn't stand for more than 10. I couldn't sleep at night because whichever way I turned, it was so uncomfortable. I had to have like 4 pillows raising my back because I couldn't lie flat on my back just to seize up, and it was terrible. But that's where I turned up. That's actually just a coincidence because I was looking at a lot of conventional medicine, the allopathic and the orthopedic and stuff, and they really scared me to death because they kept telling me that you probably need to go in for an operation, your spine is out of whack and it's about to touch your nerve, and if it touches your nerve, you're going to be paralyzed for life, and blah blah blah. And I was like, God, please help me. And I was asking around, and coincidentally my boss was a Danish person, and he said, you know, why don't you try chiropractic? And I did not go to his chiropractic, but I spoke to his chiropractor, and it was not very reassuring because apparently this guy just went and did some courses and started chiropractic practice, become a practitioner. I was not convinced, and then I spoke to a number of people, and then I read about dental spa and doctor, and I came and met him. And what was reassuring to me was just the whole process that he went through, and that's why I decided to stay with him, because the other guys I went to, they said, okay, right now you can lie down, we'll start, and I was like, but you don't know what's wrong with me. And doctor, I'm not going to touch you unless you go and get an MRI done, because I would not even know what's wrong with you. So I wouldn't dare touch your spine without knowing. And then I found out more about him, and that he was a doctor first, and then he became a chiropractor. So all that was very reassuring to me, and that's how I stayed with him. Oh, I had about, I think, 45 sessions. Well, the first push, I would say about 25 sessions was done very quickly, very close together. So that took only about maybe less than a month. But then thereafter it was sort of staggered over a period of time, and it kept going. And like it was once a week, and then once in 15 days, and then gradually. So it was about 45 sessions before my spine, which was bent towards one side, was absolutely straight again. So it took some time, but I got there. Oh, brilliant. I mean, I can't begin to explain the delight, the ability to wear heels again. I couldn't do that. I couldn't do any of the activities that I enjoyed. People kept telling, oh, you should swim because, swimming is good for your back. But I got into the water, and it was agony trying to, do anything. So now all the things, shopping, I couldn't walk for more than 15-20 minutes at a time. So it's a delight.